don't think that me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff. I mean, not that I have a problem with funny stuff. Especially not if you really like the person. But that isn't what I wanted to talk about. Today is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today. These are my girls on the San Romero cheer squad. We've gone to the Nationals 3 years in a row. But we haven't won yet. Ugh. To keep my energy up, I eat lollipops. I know what you're thinking. I'm getting so fat. But they're so yum. This is my family. My older sister Cordelia won a gold medal in riflery last year. And she has a lot of secret meetings with guys I think are college scouts. My little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots. My girlfriends say my dad is a total dilf. But try as they might, they could never come between him and my mom. She is so cool. It's because of her, my sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly. God, she and my dad love each other so much. Speaking of true love, this is my boyfriend, Nick. It F's me up how much I really like him. My family's throwing me a birthday party after school. Nick is totally freaked out having to meet my family for the first time. But I'm even more freaked out for him to find out about my family. Because even though they're the most amazing ever, some of our traditions are a little unusual. Nick's already so sweet to never complain about my ginormous fat butt. If he finds out I'm the #1 world's biggest weirdo, he might not stick around. I'd be so sad. I think I'd seriously cry forever. Oh no! I'm totally late! I was supposed to meet him before school. I'm so lame. Ugh. I hope Nick isn't mad. That's about the worst thing that could ever happen.
Hey guys, girls, and or other, that was the weirdest intro to a game I have ever seen. Welcome to a brand new series! This is Lollipop Chainsaw. I've been wanting to play this game for so long, it just looks like it's gonna be so ridiculous. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So let's just jump right into it. That was quite an introduction. I didn't expect it to start right off like that, so you guys might have missed a tiny bit of it, but I try to get the recording started as quickly as possible. I guess we're just waiting for it to load now.
Oh my god!
Alright, whoa, is this gameplay? Is this gameplay? Am I doing anything here? I don't think I'm doing anything here. But
Seriously? Dude. The hell?
oh man, we got our chainsaw. It's gonna be fun. Because shoving chainsaws in the ground is totally a good idea.
Stupid! Undead douchebags!
This is like totally meeting my expectations so far. This is like exactly what I was hoping for. This is so ridiculous. Oh, it's beautiful. Juliet Starling. I missed the rest of that. You guys can go back and pause if you want.
This
I missed
is
most of
so irritating.
So irritating. Oh my god. X. Here, what is the attack point? Okay. I'm trying to figure out what all the different moves are. Alright, so that's jump. Now swipe there. Alright, so that's like a swipe. That's like a little pom-pom thing. Go, girls. Yeah. Oh, come on, come on. Oh. There we go. And we just blew up the... Did we do that? Did I do that? That's
Jeez,
not cool.
It sucks when things explode.
Alright,
need to find
let's...
Nick.
Pom-pom bashes, drawing over chainsaw attacks. Jump!
Zombies. Awesome.
Sparkle!
Pop it. Oh.
Oh, this is kind of great. Hey, you're supposed to be dead. You're supposed to die. You need to die too. You guys all need to just get out. Oh, a hooter. What sort of thing does X? Oh, that was sick. That is kind of sick. Alright, I'm very much enjoying this so far. This is kind of fantastic. This is like the best thing ever. I like how the little hearts come out of the zombie's dead body. Oh my god, this is fantastic. This is the greatest thing ever. Can I sprint? Can I... Oh. Explodey stuff. And I gotta get used to these controls. They aren't what I expected. Hey, what are you crying about? Oh, that is definitely why. Kill zombie.
Hold it right there, you zombie jerks. I'll help you.
Hey, don't touch me. Stop it. I am a lady. Do not touch me. Just stand there and take it like a man. Stand there and take it like a man. Did I kill them all? Nope, I still got 2 more. There we go. Alright, bro. What's up?
Awesome. I'm still alive.
I'm still alive. Gold zombie medals are the basic currency to purchase
Thanks, kid.
items.
Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Be careful.
Alright, this is pretty great so far. Oh man. Hello, bus. How's it going?
Whoa, zombies suck dick at driving.
Ooh, a lollipop. I do like me some lollipop.
Eat it up.
Okay, so, lollipops restore health. Let's go ahead and use one of those. Sparkle! Okay, whoa! Bus, what are you doing?
I'll rip out your teeth.
Oh, great.
X for low slash.
This isn't going to be as easy as I thought.
Following zombies. Yeah, I figured that out already.
Don't be looking at my skirt.
Hey. There you go. Boom. Take that. I'll just get you guys as you come out. Jump! Take that. I wonder what that thing at the bottom is. We'll probably find out once we fill it up.
Just don't move. I'll take care of them. No big whoop.
Press circle to dodge enemy attacks, makes it help. Oh, look at that. Just sawing them to pieces. Take that, zombies. Circle near zombies. I missed the rest of that. These things go by so quickly. Stop. Oh. Taking you out, zombies. You ain't got a chance. Ain't got a chance against my sparkle chainsaw. So sparkly and fantastic.
Where am I?
Bye.
Great. See one more.
Yeah, give me that money. Yeah, give me that money. Alright, I guess we're heading to here now. Circle.
We gotta live with him, eh?
Bus driver. Oh man.
Watch out!
Ow. That didn't seem pleasant.
Come on, get away from me.
Hold on, I'm coming!
Hey. I'm the only one allowed to wear skirts around here, alright? So, I'm sorry, but you gotta go. You gotta go. Skirts are my thing, alright? You're not beautiful enough. You're not beautiful enough! Take it. Take it. Oh. Hey. Take that.
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
Proud to save somebody's life.
Well, we got these ones. I see a whole group of these undead bastards incoming. Meet me
Oh,
up
it's a
ahead.
whole group of them. Hey. Don't you mess with him. He's my buddy. He's my pal. I actually have no idea who he is. I've probably never seen him before at this point. I'm a preppy girl. Probably ignored most guys. But this guy, I need to save his life. So, let's go ahead and solve this. And what's the sparkle meter down there? I want to know what the sparkle meter does.
Keep going, girl.
Alright. Zombie Star Soul Charger meter plus. Okay, R2. Whoa. Zombie.
Fuck off. Get away.
Wow, that was pretty great. Yeah, sparkle! Hey, don't kill that guy. Don't kill the guy. Don't kill the guy. Don't touch him. No touch. No touch. No touch.
Oh my, awesome!
Boom, take that. Oh, really? Really?
Need is for suckers.
Okay, so I don't need to take care of too many of them. Rocky zombies are easy to decapitate. Use pom-pom badges. Alright, so if I go like that, and then screw it. I'm just gonna wreck these fools. I'm just gonna wreck these fools. Hey. Enough of this. Now let me just eat my lollipop. Lollipop. I have a feeling I'm gonna end up doing that a lot in this series.
Fantastic job, kid.
Glad you made it, pilot dude!
Bye.
Where's the bleed?
Hold on, this is too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square. Jesus Christ! Get off me, you bastard! Oh, shit! Don't let
Well, some stuff's going down there.
No. He crashed over by the school and is probably dead.
What's going on?
Just a second.
She's a phone.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
What? I was like so out of nowhere. Okay, what do all these buttons do? Alright. All of the D-pad buttons do the same thing. What about all these buttons? None of these buttons do anything.
Wow, now is the perfect time to to do some shopping.
His favorite store to shop at. Be careful. These places are rare. Alright, let's check this place out. Let's see what we can get.
God, I love shopping.
Awesome skills. Health upgrades. Metals, magic beans. Increase permanently. I just realized the song playing in the background. That's great. That's so great. Okay, how much money do I have? Where does it say?
What should I get?
How much money do I have?
What should I get?
Okay, so I have 108. What if I chainsaw stab? Chainsaw chain. 2 quick cheer attacks followed by penetrating chainsaw thrust. I don't think I'm gonna bother skills right now. I think I'm just gonna go with the magic beans.
Check this out.
Num 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 num. 10% permanent health upgrade. Might as well grab a lollipop as well. Alright, I think that is
Click, click.
about it. I think that's it.
Let's go.
Yay! Oh hey, money, and a lollipop.
I'll share, Nick.
Okay, let's see if there's any more secrets around. If that was... I guess that doesn't really count as a secret. It's like you're just sort of there. But I want to... Oh! Okay, I can go in here. Learn to kick down on a door, woman. I mean, you're a zombie hunter. You should know how to kick down a door. What's up? What? Oh, well, hello there.
I'm in a hurry.
Sure. Hey, hey, don't touch me. It's rude. It's rude, sir. Hey, hey, hey. Treat that. Fool, you fool. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. Hey, hey. Enough, enough, enough. Alright, give me that money.
Strawberry's my favorite.
Strawberry. So good. I love strawberries. Although strawberry actually is probably one of my favorite fruit flavors for like candies and stuff. I really like strawberry. Strawberry flavored stuff is the best. Okay, alright, let's solve through this thing. Take that. Pipes. You ain't got nothing on me, pipe. I like how this gameplay is just like permanent anti-shot. You're always just a constant panning shot, forever and ever. Oh, I feel like I have to concentrate so much on this one. Whoa. Sparkle! Yay! What? What? Hey, hey, get off me. Get off of me. Get off. Alright. Sparkles. Yay, sparkles. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get off. Get off. Get off me. This is not... There's a time and place for everything, but not right now, okay? Not now. Let me just chop you to pieces, if you don't mind. You guys... Just chop, chop, chop. I like how they just turn into sparkles when I actually kill them. Hey, hey, enough. Enough. Oh my. Isn't that lovely? That was wonderful. I'm actually quite satisfied with that. I feel like it would be more satisfying to do it to a male zombie, though. But that's just me. Come on, come on, come on. Let me just kill the rest of you, please. What was that? Ah, 26 out of 26. Ah, nice. Alright, where am I going now? Oh man, my health is so low. Let's just eat one of those. Num num num. Alright, I guess we're just gonna be going for a few more minutes. How do I get through here? Circle. Boom. Oh, the caps! Gotta help the caps.
Zombie's not dead.
Alright, we gotta go save the caps.
Please, I'm in a hurry.
Press L1 block on target. Use R to switch to. Okay. How do I switch targets? Oh, there we go. Okay. Sorry, George. Hey, hey, stop that. Stop it.
You'd be so cruel.
Ooh, lollipop. Hey. Get out of here, explosive. Hazmat, bro. Get out of here, Hazmat, bro.
Hey, respect
Jerry.
property.
Zombies with health bars above their heads are more aggressive. Hold on, Jerry. Hold on. Let me grab this. Now I will definitely chop your resistance here.
My solar plexus.
Jerry. I'm gonna take you out, Jerry. Oh, jeez. Hold on a second. Hold on a second, Jerry. Hold on. Let me eat a lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop, lollipop. This is intense. Hey. Oh, these guys are so tough. They're so tough. It's not okay. Oh, wait a second. Can I, There we go. I should be able to do more damage now. Boom. Take it. Oh. Platinum zombie metal is the most valuable. Alright, Jerry. Take that, Jerry. What about your pants? This game is fantastic.
Oh, Nick, please be okay.
Alright, cutscene time.
Nick? Nick, are you here? It's okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Oh man.
Juliet!
Rah. Nick.
Shit!
Are you okay, Juliet?
Yes, Are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does it mean?
Gee, I wonder.
It can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you. Oh, I fucking love you. Oh.
Nick.
I'm sorry, I can't help but laugh at this.
No. There's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
I love you too, baby.
Alright, well, I think that is going to wrap it up for today. So,
Aiden.
whoop, what do we got? We got an okay. We got an overall B. That's not terrible. But I think that's going to wrap it up for today, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, I would very much appreciate if you would leave a like, and comment some feedback, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let me know if you're excited for this new series, because I'm excited for this new series. It's going to be so much fun. And I will see you guys later.